Okay, we are at the
2022 UCI Cyclocross World Championships in Fayetteville, Arkansas.
Jay. What is cyclocross?
It's taking your road bike and and riding it off-road, basically.
But there's stairs.
Yep.
That's silly.
They have to either ride or run up those stairs. These are so big they'll have to run up these.
Okay.
But, yeah, it should be a lot of fun.
When's the last time it was held here?
It's only the second time it's ever been in the States, and I think the last time was 2013.
We are Jay and Laura Smith, and this weekend we took our campervan toaster to the UCI Cyclocross World Championships, where Laura got to meet a favorite YouTuber and pro cyclist. There were men in trees. We found someone we just know was famous. There were airplanes, a bike ride for us, a farm visit for Laura, and big sexy burgers. Can I tell you something that's funny?
We're getting passed by a school bus.
Yes. Before we get into the races themselves, we actually had to get there. One thing I love to do when we go to a new city is explore what I think are going to be good or popular restaurants. Jay likes to look at the different breweries, and boy, did we find a great one. This is a classic example of walking in somewhere not knowing what you're going to find and being pleasantly surprised. I had the best seltzer that I've actually ever had, and Jay loved his beers. That night, we spent the night in a Cracker Barrel parking lot, but we looked up this restaurant, and oh my goodness, another example of a restaurant just blowing us away. The buttered biscuit was delicious with their homemade butter and jams. Oh my goodness. Wherever the cameras are, that could be a good spot. What do you think? I think like right here. Because you can see him here.
And you can see him go up the stairs. And the back
Yeah.
stairs. From our sponsor. Core Brewery's Scarlet Letter Seltzer is legitimately the best seltzer I have ever had in my entire life. Now, I just had a seltzer that was probably the worst seltzer I've ever had, which makes me want to have this one even more. They had 4 different flavors, and in the storage bathroom area, I have the other flavors. Delicious. At the Cyclocross World Championship, there were 30 countries represented, 3 world-class athletes, and 6 world champions.
started to walk through the vendor area, I went to put my phone into time-lapse mode, and then we saw Jeremiah. So of course I had to stop and say hello and tell him how much I appreciate the fun YouTube videos that he does, along with Vegan Cyclist as well. So that was just kind of an unexpected surprise.
Walmart UCI Cyclocross World Championships.
Mesdames et messieurs, votre attention s'il vous plaît pour la cérémonie protocolaire après les championnats du monde de cyclocross UCI Walmart 2022 pour la catégorie des femmes juniors.
Winner of the gold medal and your new world champion from Great Britain, Zoe Bexton.
That is crazy. They're all
Come on, Andrew!
Bike away in the L track. Hey, that was really easy actually. Yep. And your tires in the tire thing. And we don't have an L track for my side because I don't think we need one, right? Anyway, it's that chain right there.
Jay is on a bike ride this morning. We are back at the parking lot, and he's going to go watch the rest of the races after his bike ride, and Coda and I are going to hang in the van. Yesterday on our ride, we came across actually right outside of the fairgrounds, there is like a horse arena and a whole equine center, and the horses were actually very active that day, so we're gonna walk by there and see if we can see some fun horses. We got sheeps. I think we woke up the sheepies. We got sheeps. I think we woke up the sheepies. I'm gonna say hi to you 2 by 2. There they are. Look at the sheep. Look at that. Do you like them? Oh, we got pigs. That is a pig, and I don't even think Coda notices it. Do you see the pig? Oh, it stinks. I smell the pig. More. Oh, it snorted. When I was little, we used to have cattle guards like this. Let's see what Coda does to it. Yeah, you're gonna have to go over the middle, bud. And sometimes we would have cows that would still jump the cattle guard, and the neighbors would call. Funny little memories like that. So although this wasn't a really comprehensive review of the races themselves, it is a great way for you to realize to get out there, go experience new things, new cities, eat, travel. Just get out there.